Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I am sharing with you my Kartik Purnima Snaan experience. So today at a 4 o'clock, I went to Ganga River with my friends and neighbors. So after that, when we reached there, we took a bath with my friends and take a multiple dips in Ganga River. And there in starting, I started at a time 5 dips because I feel suffocated in the river. And after that, after some time, I habitual to take a dip, and I increase my dips around 7 or 11 at a time. So at the end, after 1 hour, I am not able to count how many dips I took in around 1 hour. So so you can imagine how many dips I took in the river, and this is my great experience. And the water was very cold, and I feel like a freeze because I took a bath around 1 hour, and I feel so satisfied when took around a 1 hour bath. It's a much far or much good experience any other any other water park. So river snan or river bath is feel like uh, it is give me positive energy. And there is also said our elders, when we took a bath in the river, it will destroy our bad karmas, and it that water will empower us and purify our body and inner soul. So that is the thing which is our elder says. But our experience is also very good and energetic when I take a dip in the Ganga River. And today is Kartik Purnima, so it is also a Snan day when we take a bath in the holy rivers, and it is good for us. So I take a dip and I enjoyed with my friends, and I feel very good, feel much better. And what is the significant of Kartik Purnima? Basically Kartik is a month as a Hindu calendar, and Kartik is a holy month where God Vishnu take avatar as a Matsya avatar, and also God Shiv defeat Tripurasur on that this day. And uh, he is called as a Tripurari god, Shiv, as a Hindu called as a Tripurari. So this month is kind of month. So this month, Kartik month, is basically for devotees who can offer prayers to as like he wake up. He or she, they are wake up at a 5 o'clock or 4 o'clock early morning, and after take a bath, they can pray and lit diya to basil plant, and in front of basil plant before sunrise. There is a said it is good for us when we whole Kartik month do this activity. Take a bath in early morning and lit a diya in front of basil plant. So it is good for us. And the Kartik Purnima is a month and end of the day this Kartik. So there is we took a bath, and there is this day is a total based on uh, good good deeds we can start some good things and work in this month. It is it will give good results. And today is a most important day for Sikhism community also, because today is a Guru Nanak Dev birthday also. Then so it is that was called as a Guru Parva. And Sikhism people or community in Gurudwaras, they start langars and they feed needful pupils. So this month is kind of full good vibes. And today is also Dev Diwali. Kartik Purnima is also called a Dev Diwali, because many people's like the are lamps at a Ganga Ghat river and their homes also, and in front of basil leaf. Today is also some people do tulsi viva with Vishnu, God Vishnu, and they perform their rituals, whole marriage rituals. And today is a very good day kind of, and I enjoyed a lot. Today I will also lit a diya in my home, and on my roof there is a basil's plant. So I lit diya or lamp in front of a basil's plant also. So today we will enjoy a lot. And I also wear a new clothes like as a Diwali, and we crack some crackers, and we enjoy a lot today. So how will you how will you enjoy this day, and what is your Kartik Purnima experience? Please share with us, and also comment in comment section. And if you like my video, so please share with your family or friends, and we will meet you in next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Happy Kartik Purnima and Dev Diwali.